In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get V4 Mink in Blox Fruits. In this video, I'm going to cover the initial steps for you to acquire version 4 of your race, specifically Mink in Blox Fruits. Keep in mind that this process is a lengthy one. There are a lot of stages and a lot of steps. Because of this, I cannot cover every single one in great detail of a video like this. The purpose of this video is to be an introductory video on how to actually start this quest line. So all of this will be primarily done by interacting with a specific NPC. So for you to acquire your race 4, you will need to meet some requirements. As you can see, I listed all of them here. So there are a lot of requirements. You need third C axis, you need any race on V3, you need to have defeated Rip in your true form at least once, complete the Sealed King quest, 1 Mirror Fractal, blue gear that can be found on the Mirage Island, 3 or more total players, each with different races at V3 or more, and all of the requirements above, and you will need to complete the training tasks from the Ancient One. And finally, currently be nighttime to start the trial. So to do this, you have to start all of it in the Castle in the Sky. You need to go through various different trials. For the primary step to unlock these trials, you need to obtain Dragon Heart and Dragon Storm. You will be able to get from the Dragon Hunter by crafting, and once you get them both to 500 mastery, you will be able to use them to light the relic after the island is frozen. Like I said, there are way too many steps, and sadly I cannot cover all of them in a video with around 2 minutes, so I highly recommend checking out the wiki, but essentially everything will revolve around the Sealed King. And by completing his quest, you will be able to get it done. Usually he will give you hints, and he is going to tell you to defeat the Rip under a raid boss, to go to the Temple of Time, go to the Mirage Island, and find the blue gear. I hope I was able to help you on how to get V4 Mink Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.